So next I'll explain the local media files, so which is this icon. So if you press this, we'll be presented with this panel. Okay, so here we have options like the local model, local images, local videos, and your background images. So basically you are able to import various files into your PC or your VR headset, and all the files will be present in this panel. Okay, so to import your files, you just have to go in the documents folder. There you will find the OpenBrush folder. Then under OpenBrush you can file the media library, we can see here. Then inside the media library you will have all these uh, folders, 4 more folders. So this one, so there you can put all your reference or your 3D models, reference images, your reference videos, or even a background image. Then after importing you can find it here. Okay, for example, we have one image here, the OpenBrush logo. So you can just click this here, and you can import the image into your canvas like this. Okay, so this is your local media library.